Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from DesignSense Software Technologies, Bangalore. In this video, I'm going to talk about our CAD plugin called CADPower. So CADPower is a plugin which sits on top of DWG based software like AutoCAD, BricsCAD, ZWCAD or Ares Commander and is used to extend the functionality of the host CAD platform. So typically any CAD platform you buy, any DWG CAD platform comes with a set of tools that you can use for design. But over and above that, most companies have written a lot of Lisp programs and small tools to extend the functionality, to do some automation, shortcuts and so on. So normally in every company these functionalities are available in different Lisp routines which have to be loaded manually and it becomes very inconvenient. We have made this job easier by developing this product called CADPower, which gives you all these tools under one umbrella and you can select it from a variety of user interfaces like pull down menus, ribbon, commands, toolbars and so on. So CADPower is available for multiple CAD platforms and has got several categories of tools like polyline tools, bill of materials, bill of quantities, ERP exchange tools, Excel interaction tools, measurement tools and so on. So try CADPower today. You can download it from our website. There is a 30-day trial and you'll know more about it when you use it. If you want more information, please do feel free to contact us for a demo. Thank you.